is we are going to line up our ruler on the diagonal of the square. And you'll notice that we are making sure we're using every registration that we have to make sure that we're on the true bias. This line runs along the line of the side of the square, and I can tell from looking at it that when I put the pencil down, it's going to, the width of the pencil lead is going to be accounted for because I've moved this ruler back just a bit. And so when I pull at an angle again so that I don't stretch the fabric, then we're going to end up with our diagonal line drawn. Now, in this part of the lesson, we're going to be adding the half square triangles to the side pieces right here in our block. And I've already done one and put it over here on the side so that you can see that when we fold this back, it's going to form a half square triangle in the corner, and I'm just going to pin that there so that you can see what that looks like, and we'll talk about this one. Okay, this one again will be laid on top of the strip set that has been sewn for this side piece. Okay, we're going to line it up real carefully. We're going to pin it to hold it in place because again we have to be concerned about beginning and ending on those corners. Now I want you to notice that something's happening here. This piece of fabric is going to overlap what we've just put on, and that's important because every quarter square everywhere we have to have a quarter square inch from where these two meet to the end of the line so that you can have a nice crisp point at that junction. So we will be sewing as before, remembering that we're going to sew just to the right of the triangle that we want to protect. And in this case, it is this because it's going to be the triangle that folds back. So let's just think that we've already sewn along that line, just to the right of that line, and we've pressed that back, and do you see how those are going to cross right there, just a quarter inch away from the edge of the fabric there, and when we sew our seam along there, we will have an absolutely perfect point.